Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to change name in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your name in Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. And in order to proceed to change the name over here at the bottom right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll land over here guys. Now in order to proceed to change your name, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the pen icon available for us. Tap on the pen icon at the top left corner of the screen and you'll land over here. Now in order to proceed to change your name, tap on the name box over here and make your edits to which you want to change your name. And with that being done, just close the keyboard, and the moment you tap on back and go back, your name will be changed over here. It will take a time to load, but you will not be required to save it or do something else. It will be saved automatically or momentarily also. And with that being said guys, this is how to change the name in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.